every day with my clients is um, is actually the same. With all the clients that come to me, they face one thing, which is they lose themselves inside all of this mess. Like she wants to see herself powerful, loving her business, starting her own business and career and stuff like that. But at the same time, she's a wife, she's a mom, she's taking care of everything, the family, the husband, the kids, her business. She's making all of this successful and looking very beautiful from outside, while at the same time she's losing herself. She's losing her own health.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तुर्की से अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है मलिहा आरिफ। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में व्यूअर्स मैं आप लोगों से एक इवेंट शेयर कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी। उसकी डिटेल्स मैं कुछ आगे चल के देती हूँ आप लोगों को। थोड़ा सा मैं बैकग्राउंड दे दूँ। मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ अपनी वीडियोज़ में आप लोगों से शेयर करती रही हूँ कि हम जो फॉरेनर्स, हम जो फैमिलीज़ यहाँ टर्की में सेटल हैं, मैं इस्तांबुल से बात कर रही हूँ, हम लोगों को जो डे वन से एक प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती थी और पड़ती है वो ये है कि यहाँ पर टर्की में मोड ऑफ़ कम्युनिकेशन सिर्फ टर्किश लैंग्वेज है। यहाँ पे सिर्फ टर्किश लैंग्वेज में बात की जाती है। बड़ा एक रेयर सिनेरियो है कि आपको उर्दू या इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मिले। तो यहाँ पे जो अब फैमिलीज़ काफ़ी अरसे से सेटल हैं, अब काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है, उन फैमिलीज़ ने, उनकी जो ख़वातीन हैं, जो वर्किंग लेडीज़ हैं, उन्होंने यहाँ पे रहते हुए कैसे ग्रो करना है, अपने आप को कैसे ग्रूम करना है। यहाँ पे इस्तांबुल में जो टर्की का एक लाइफस्टाइल है, उसकी अपनी डायनामिक्स और अपनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ हैं, उसको अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए कैसे अपनी जो कहते हैं अपनी आइडेंटिटी को और ज़्यादा ग्रूम करना है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक इम्पॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट था। इस आस्पेक्ट पे काम करने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी। इस सारी सिचुएशन को अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए दिस इवेंट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड। अब इस इवेंट की डिटेल्स मैं आप लोगों को दे दूं। आप लोग स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, लिखा हुआ है मुजिद प्रेजेंट्स वुमेन एंड आर्ट फिएस्टा। दिस इवेंट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ऑन 16-17 दिसंबर। इस्तांबुल में हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है बशक शहर, वहाँ पे अलनूर स्कूल की सपोर्ट पे ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ। इस इवेंट की स्पेशलिटी ये है कि इस इवेंट से जो भी इनकम जनरेट होगी उसका 10% डोनेट होगा फॉर फ़लस्तीन कॉज। आप लोग स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, लिखा हुआ है मुजिद। मैं मुजिद की डिटेल्स दे दूँ आप लोगों को। बेसिकली दिस होल इवेंट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय मुजिद। मुजिद इज़ काइंड ऑफ, यू कैन से, अ स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मेड बाय टू लेडीज़, नुसरत एंड फ़रा। नुसरत यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, शी इज़ फ्रॉम इंडिया। उनका प्रोफाइल आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ। एंड फ़रा, शी इज़ फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान। तो ये दो ख़वातीन हैं जिन्होंने हिम्मत करके ये एक काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई, मुजिद। एंड दिस होल इवेंट जो इसकी थीम है, आइडिया, प्लानिंग, एवरीथिंग, ये एवरीथिंग वाज डन बाय मुजिद, बाय नुसरत एंड फ़रा। बेसिकली ये जो मुजिद है, द मेन पर्पस वाज टू क्रिएट अ ग्रुप ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर वुमेन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कल्चर्स एंड सपोर्ट दैम, प्रमोट दैम एंड इनकरेज दैम। सो इनकी बेसिकली मुजिद की थीम ये है। इवेंट पर वापस आ जाते हैं। ये जो इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ वुमेन एंड आर्ट फिएस्टा, इसका एक पार्ट पैनल डिस्कशन था एंड मैंने इसके कुछ ग्लिम्स आप लोगों से आज की वीडियो में शेयर किए। आप लोग स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं, लिखा हुआ है वुमेन एंड आर्ट फिएस्टा पैनल डिस्कशन। ये 6 ख़वातीन थीं जिन्होंने पैनल डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया। इसकी खूबसूरती ये है कि ये सब जो ख़वातीन हैं, दे आर फ्राम डिफरेंट कल्चर्स एंड डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़। ये जो पैनल डिस्कशन थी, इसके कुछ ग्लिम्स आप लोगों को आज की वीडियो में मिलेंगे। जो पॉइंट्स थे इस डिस्कशन में जो डिस्कस किए गए, वो मैं आप लोगों से शेयर कर दूं। जो पॉइंट्स डिस्कस हुए इस डिस्कशन में, दे वर बैलेंसिंग प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ, अ गाइड फॉर वर्किंग वुमेन एंड वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, empowering youth and parents, navigating peer pressure, social media influence, building confidence, parenting guidance and health. So these were the points जो इस डिस्कशन में डिस्कस हुए। एंड मीनवाइल आप लोग स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं कि जो इस डिस्कशन के की स्पीकर्स थे, उनका प्रोफाइल आप लोग स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं। तो मैं यहाँ पर अपनी बात ख़त्म करती हूँ, आगे वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं जहाँ पे मैं कुछ इस डिस्कशन के ग्लिम्स आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगी, सो दैट यू गेट द आइडिया कि ये इवेंट बेसिकली क्या था। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों से जो इसकी इवेंट की जो दूसरी साइड थी, जहाँ पर डिफरेंट ख़वातीन ने अपने स्टॉल्स लगाए, मैं वो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी। तो चलें पैनल डिस्कशन आप लोगों के साथ में शेयर करती हूँ।
And then we have Soleha Sheikh, life coach. We have Rania Askar, business coach. And we have Iman Gamal, a nutritionist. Today we are discussing about women entrepreneurs, how they can handle their business, their working life, with their family, enjoying their life, how to boost their sales, and how to take care of her own self. So let me start with our coaches. So I would like to ask my coaches that what are the challenges that women facing while pursuing their goals? So shall we start with Amal? Yeah. Shall.
تحت الكبسة الحمراء بس الكبسة الحمراء من تحت كبسة الطاولة
Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Anna, and the challenges that we face as women, I really believe is that we've been fed this idea that women can do it all and that we're the same as men, where in reality, that's very far from the truth. Women are a completely different breed. We have our own needs, we have our own values, we have our own responsibilities that we need to take care of. So by nature, Allah created us as nurturers. So especially as mothers, as wives, we have our first responsibility in the home. And then if we have that passion to then go on and create business, we really need to understand what our circumstances are, who we are as a person. Do I have a support system? Is my husband on board with me? There's so many things you need to take into consideration. And we also need to understand that our bodies are built differently. So we need more sleep, and certain times of the month we need more rest. So this is how we were created, and I think a lot of women kind of surpass this idea and forget about it and think that if they're not doing it all, then they're not out there in the world doing exactly what men are doing, that they're failures. Where in reality, you shouldn't be doing it all. And we should be giving ourselves the time and really thinking about the steps we take into maintaining our health, maintaining the balance in our lives, be it mentally, be it outside the home, and understanding again our circumstances, creating the boundaries. So if I want to work at a certain time, I work at a certain time. If I feel like I'm going to go over my limit where it's not suitable for me, I need to know when I can say no to that. So this is for me the biggest challenge that women face. They don't have that boundary to say no. We always are yes people, which we need to stop doing.
Taking forward from what Amal has said, first to introduce myself, I'm Saleha. I'm a life coach and women entrepreneurship facilitator. So most of the times that women think, there is a mindset issue, I'm not good enough, and that tends to hold them down in many ways. I mean, they may be very talented, they would love to do something, but there is a low confidence, there is a fear of failure, especially when they want to step out of their comfort zones and do something, I mean, nowadays it's very common for women to be entrepreneurs, and it's amazing the way we are pursuing our goals. but yet it comes with its own set of challenges. And one of the major ones is, of course, supportive family. A supportive family, a supportive system at home is extremely important so that the woman can step out and do what she wants to do with the ease of mind. Having children go to schools and, with balancing the work as well as home front is not easy. But yet it can be done. It can be done if she's clear on her goals and she knows how to go about it. And that comes with experience as well. You learn with time what works, what doesn't. Most of the times it is possible with extreme support of the family. That is extremely important. Another thing that women entrepreneurs face is also with the gender biases that are outside. There is a sense of skepticism. Will she be able to do it? And they, especially with male-dominated sectors. I work within the maritime industry, which is predominantly a male-dominated sector, and we have a lot of women joining that sector as a workforce. So we see that kind of a mindset wherein they are told that, here, this is not your job, and this is our job. Hello?
It works.
Okay. Sorry. That is one of the challenges, of course. I think I would like to let my other speakers speak.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is Rania. I'm a business coach, and I really the thing that I really love every woman, especially starting their businesses, and I know a lot of you are maybe already having your tables outside, is to make sales and sell a lot. But the first thing that we as women usually skip, and it is the foundational piece actually, it is understanding that you have to do a business that is, it's you are choosing you. So a lot of women, and I see that a lot in my clients, they come and say, okay, I want to make money, I want to be the fixer, I wanted to help my husband, whatever, and they start to, go left and right based on what would make me more money, what would make me, and in my experience personally, and for women, the first thing that they have to go to is understanding what they really want to bring to the table. What is the thing that is special about them, and go and create their businesses around. And when you start there is magic there, because you do not go into business because, and women do this thing a lot, we don't go in business because we need validation. We don't go into business because, I want to be the helper, the fixer. No, you go into business because, and I believe that a lot, unless there is, you have to put food on the table, and we know that our men are doing that. So we really, when we are doing choosing their niche, it should be about what your scope of genius, and create from that, away from the validation, away from the good girl, and the good girl is really what also slows down a lot of businesses, because even when they right niche in working with my clients, they choose the right niche, and then they start again seeing how is the business model is going to work, and because this is the way everyone is doing it, and they skip totally on what feels right to them. So the first thing is that you have to choose you when you are doing your business. The second thing that I feel is, and this is going to go a little bit against what we do, the flow here, but it is very important, and it is the balance. So what do I mean by that? I mean, when women get into business, all of a sudden, they either are totally left, or what do I mean? Left is, I'm in my masculine energy, I got to do all the things, or otherwise nothing's gonna work. Or I got to be feminine, in the flow, I will roll with it. Okay, I mean, some people outside now are gonna have some tables, right? And the flowy style gonna show like this. You're gonna find people, okay, say, here are the things, my product is beautiful, buy it, yeah? But it doesn't work like that. We have to have some structure. And the structure is what allows for the consistent sales to happen. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about the masculine here. So allow me, because it's very important. Because the structure is what allows, again, consistent sales. So the structure is simple. Business is really simple. You need three things. You need, number one, to really understand how you get your business to be seen by a lot of people, yeah? How to be in front of people that are interested in what you sell. Number two, you really need to give them a good experience right now, not later, before they buy from you. So I'll give you an example. Tables outside, they can, add little gifts onto their tables so they attract people. They make them feel comfortable. And thirdly, they have to really sell, have an offer, make an offer and invite every single day. So when you do the balance between the masculine and feminine, this is where things really start to grow.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman Gamel. I'm a nutritionist. So the challenge that I face every day with my clients is actually the same. With all the clients that come to me, they face one thing, which is they lose themselves inside all of this mess. Like, she wants to see herself powerful, loving her business, starting her own business and career and stuff like that, but at the same time she's a wife, she's a mom, she's taking care of everything, the family, the husband, the kids, her business. She's making all of this successful and looking very beautiful from outside, while at the same time she's losing herself. She's losing her own health, her own beauty that starts from our bodies, from inside. The most simple example that I can give right now is that in the morning she wakes up, she prepares breakfast for her family, her husband and the kids. And then I ask, do you sit and have your meal with them? And the answer is so simple, no, I don't have time for that. So how come you have a time to take care of your family, preparing the breakfast for them, wake up very early in the morning, while for yourself you don't even have a couple of minutes to sit down, enjoy your meal with them? So for me, the biggest challenge that entrepreneur and women who are seeking to start their own business while they are married or not married is that at some point they got to be so burned out that they forget about themselves, forget about their health. And in this time that we are living right now, women are facing the most serious autoimmune diseases. And all of these diseases, if we are going to go back to search behind the reason for them, is out of stress, out of lack of sleep, a lot of energy without taking care of your body in terms of exercising well, eating well, and whatever comes with all of this package. So that's the challenge that I face every day.
जी व्यूअर्स, सो दिस वाज द पैनल डिस्कशन। ये काफ़ी देर तक ये डिस्कशन चलती रही। आई जस्ट वांटेड कि मैं कुछ ग्लिम्स आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूं सो दैट यू गेट द आइडिया कि ये इवेंट और ये जो डिस्कशन हुई इसकी थीम, इसका पर्पस क्या था। आई होप आज की वीडियो आप लोगों ने इन्जॉय की होगी। आप लोगों को आज की वीडियो पसंद आए, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव द थम्स अप, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड शेयर माई कॉन्टेंट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली। Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Allah Hafiz.